How to transfer Chase points to Southwest Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you'll be learning how you can transfer Chase points to Southwest Airlines, and here is how to go about it. The first step is logging into your Southwest Airlines account, just like I have done here. And here is how it looks like. By the left side of the screen, you can see the Southwest logo. By the time you scroll down, you'll see the option for you to book a flight, to check in, to check your flight status, to change or to cancel your flight. And by the time you scroll down, you can see other options as well. So in order to transfer Chase points, the next step is to move to the top right corner where you can see some options such as log in, create accounts, and all of that. If you've not logged in, just go ahead and click on login and then enter in your details such as your account number, your password, and then click on log in. All right. So once you're logged in, you can see by the top right corner, the write up will change to your name, and then you'll see my account and you see the logout option. Then just below the logout option, you can see rapid rewards, right? That's our focus. Just click on it. So after clicking on rapid rewards, another window would open. On this page, you can see two tabs, namely program and manage. So under manage, scroll down and select buy or transfer points, and then wait for it to load. So once that's loaded, you can see the rapid reward page, and you can see the different options, different things that you can do. You can buy gifts, transfer points, donate points. In this case, we're trying to transfer points. So all you need to do is to scroll down, and then you can see the option buy points, transfer points, select transfer points, and then you'll be taken to another page where you can continue the transfer process. So once you're on this page now, you can now see the Southwest Airlines logo again, and then the next thing to do would be to scroll down or reload the page since it is not displaying, because on this page you also see fields asking you to enter in the rapid account number of the person that you would want to transfer the points to. So wait for it to load. Okay, so currently the page is down, but for you, once you click on transfer point and you're brought to this page, you would be asked to enter in the account number or the account name of the Rapid Rewards account number that you would like to transfer your points to. After entering it in, enter the number of points you are transferring, then click on submit transfer, and then just like that, the points will be transferred to that particular number that you've entered in. So you have to be careful and ensure that the account number you're entering in is the correct one. If not, you might end up losing your points if you're not careful. So that is it. It is so simple, all right? Just go ahead, select rapid rewards, click on transfer point, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching and have a good day.